Welcome to another tools episode. I seem to be putting a lot of these tools episodes out at the moment, but I'm doing a lot of renovation around the property as well. And today we have a multi-tool, again by the Yellow and Black brand. So we're going to dig in and get this bad boy opened. Yeah. So this is the first time I've ever owned a multi-tool, so I'm quite interested in seeing how it works. It's interesting, this is the first case I've had as well with foam insert. Also the first one where the lid doesn't go all the way back. This will have to go on top of my stack of cases. So this pack comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries. Again, it's the brushless variety. I'm going to force that in case I break it. This model can do, that's a multi-tool, so it can do multiple things. Sanding, cutting, two of the things it can do. Scraping. I've purchased it particularly for the cutting option, because in this room I need to remove two joists from the first floor. Because they have woodworm, so I'm going to be attempting to cut the joist away from the plasterboard and hope that the ceiling doesn't fall, and take the joists out, replace them, and then repin the plasterboard to the new joists. That's the plan. How will that actually gets executed? We'll wait and see. But yeah, it's not quite a comprehensive kit. Interesting. Of the 3 kits that I have bought so far, I had 3 different charger model numbers. So I've got a DCB 105, 113 and 115 now. Only the last 2 are wall mountable, even though in the previous video I said that actually they were all wall mountable. The 105 is not wall mountable, but this one is. And so far I'm not seeing any difference in what they can charge or how long it takes them to charge. They all seem to do the same job. So yeah, this is just the look at all the T-stack stuff that they do. Lots of different modules. So yeah, nice quick video today. I look forward to using that. There will be a video of me attempting to remove those joists. And you'll be able to see whether the plasterboard stays attached or not. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this sort of video, let me know. If you don't, equally let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching.